Today we come to the Hoover Dam, and this is at New Year's Eve. You can see that's the new bridge they built. It bypasses the dam for major traffic. Coming around. Hoover Dam, 1931 to 31.
Papa, je peux dire un truc. Oui.
You see here, it's 5 to 2 Nevada time. And if I go over to the other side of the bridge,
it's like sailing, but on the lake.
it's 5 to 3 in Arizona. That's funny. We've now crossed over into the Hoover Dam into Arizona. There you go.
Are we gonna eat? Oh, yes. It's egg.
So we're now in Arizona. And it looks exactly the same as it does in Nevada.
How about this? How about you ride the fun kitty one?
That's the overflow. See? So when the water comes up too high, it overflows and goes down into that huge tunnel, which then goes down into the dam, bypasses the dam. And we're 1 hour ahead of Nevada. See, that's the center parking in Nevada. See, here's the one there, and here's the other one. Mountain reindeers. I don't think so. Look, Craig.
They're not, they're sheep, mountain sheep.
Mountain sheep. There he is. He's moving.